You stuck?
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Well, how did you get up there?
I get in this way. Now I'm falling. Now you get. I get this way. Now go this way.
Really?
Yeah.
What did you just say? I don't even know what you just said.
I said hello.
Really?
Yeah. Now I'm stuck.
Well, you better get out.
I can't.
Why not?
Good. I hurt my head.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, what are you doing back there? You're supposed to be in bed anyway.
Oh, my nose.
What happened?
Ow.
What?
Ow. Ow. That hurt.
It did?
No.
There you go. Now you figured it out. Now, get out of there. Get out of there.
Why?
Because you're going to get stuck again. Now get out. Right now. Thank you.
I did it.
You did it?